Class 7 Arithmetic Exercise 11A. CI stands for compound interest, A stands for amount, P stands for principal, R for rate, T for time. Formula for amount: P bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. CI stands for compound interest, A minus P means amount minus principal. In case if we have to find compound interest when the interest is given as half yearly, for that condition rate you have to divide that number by 2 and timing you have to multiply that number by 2. But formula remains same. Amount, that same one, P bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power T, and CI A minus P. In case if we have to find out compound interest for quarterly means 4, rate we have to divide that number by 4, timing multiply by 4. Formula for amount and compound interest remains same. P 1 plus R by 100 to the power T, and CI stands for A minus P. Now first number, principal we have got rupees 2500, rate we have got 10%, timing we have got 2 years. Amount formula I have applied here, P 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. In place of principal I have written here 2500, 1. In place of rate 10 by 100 square. Now what to do? Here we have to take LCM. What we got LCM as 100. 1 divided by 100 is 100. So in place of 1 we can write 100 plus 10. Square is written over here. 100 plus 10 is 110. Whole square means we have to write same number twice. We can cut zeros from here. When you multiply this number, we will get amount. Formula for CI, compound interest, is A minus P. Amount minus principal. So this is my CI, that is compound interest. Same way question number 2 you can solve. Question number 3, we have got bit difference. Principal we have got 5000, rate 9%, timing 2 years. First of all we have to find simple interest, SI. P into R into T divided by 100. What we got? Rupees 900. Again for compound interest, amount is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Amount when I took out, just I got it, rupees 5400,940.50 paise. CI means A minus P, I got it, 940.50 paise. Actually we have to find out here the difference between CI and SI. So at last our correct answer is 40 rupees and 50 paise. Rest we have to solve same way.